Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 153 of building the Delorean from Back to the Future. This is another rail, the penultimate rail. So we shall be installing that on there. Just to put the two chairs on. I'm going to do things a little bit differently, but we'll work on that when I come to the building part. We're still looking at the rivals to the Delorean. Japanese sports car, the Mazda RX-7. I'm aware of that one. That's a car I've heard of. It's unusual. So yeah, there you go. Look at that. Read all the words if you so desire. Marty in Manchester. This is the musical. Ollie Dobson is Marty McFly. Yeah, Back to the Future, the musical. I'm not worried about it. I don't know. Yeah. Does it need retelling? I don't think it does. Next time, we've got the third wheel. Again, penultimate. It's things are definitely coming to a close. Science fiction rules. Look at the science fiction boom of the 1980s. That'd be quite interesting to read as well. So let's get this rail put together. Okay, so we've got one more rail. We've got the 4 chairs to attach it and some screws to do that with. How many screws have they actually given me? Enough to do what I want to do, I think. Yes. Yeah, there we go. So what I want to do is bring back in what we've got so far. Now, it does say these should attach thusly, but that leaves it all very wobbly. So what I'm going to do is what I've done on that side, basically overhang them a little bit until it's all complete and out the way. So I can attach these chairs to that there, and then not put that rail on, but leave these rails coming through onto it like that on both sides. So I'm going to get all of these attached there, and then next time when we get the last rail, it will go onto the last sleeper and I'll be able to put those 4 onto that one. It just saves having lots of loose bits rummaging around all over the place. Means I haven't got any loose chairs to potentially lose. I'm much less likely to lose the actual rail itself because it's huge and metal. It just makes more sense to me to have the parts connected rather than all of the parts being loose. It looks like I will need to dig out a few more screws because there's only enough to do what they want me to do, as in connect one side. So yeah, I'll have a rummage around. I'm pretty sure I've got lots of spare EP screws. Did have to find one more spare from last time to attach this rail, or to attach the bracket onto the rail, I should say. I can't find that now. So yeah, that's what I shall be doing in the between times. So the chairs are all exactly the same, so it's not a big deal to attach them now. So that's that, and I shall have that connected through halfway through that, just to provide a bit more stability. It makes sense to me to do that. So that is that. That's another issue done. Next time, we've got the big one. We're attaching the box to the car. You remember the car, the thing that we've been building for the last years. I shall need to bring that back over to the bench again to attach the box to the hood. So that's that for now. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you soon for that. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.